Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to cook snapper fish. First, select a fresh, whole snapper weighing about 1½ pounds, looking for clear eyes and firm flesh. Begin by scaling the fish thoroughly from tail to head, and then carefully remove its internal organs, including the gills. Rinse the fish well under cool, running water, inside and out, making sure to pat it completely dry with paper towels before proceeding. For a simple yet delicious seasoning, combine 2 tablespoons of olive oil with 1 teaspoon of sea salt, 1/2 teaspoon of freshly ground black pepper, and 1 teaspoon of smoked paprika. Add 1/2 teaspoon of garlic powder and a pinch of dried oregano for extra depth. Rub this mixture generously over both sides of the fish, ensuring the cavity is also seasoned. Make sure to get into any scoring you have made on the skin. To pan-sear your snapper, heat 2 tablespoons of high smoke point oil, like avocado or grapeseed, in a large, oven-safe skillet over medium-high heat until shimmering. Carefully place the fish in the hot pan. It should sizzle immediately. Cook for about 5 minutes on one side until the skin is golden brown and crispy, then gently flip it over. Finish cooking in a preheated oven at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for another 7 to 8 minutes, or until cooked through. As an alternative, baking offers a lighter touch. Preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Line a baking sheet with parchment paper and place your seasoned snapper on it. You might add a few lemon slices and fresh herbs like dill or parsley into the cavity and over the fish for added aroma. Bake for 15 to 20 minutes, depending on the fish's thickness, until the flesh is opaque and flakes easily with a fork at its thickest part.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.